Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Thursday assembly. Last week, during that storm, many people in this country lost their power supplies when their electricity cables blew down, and they had to sit in the dark like I am today. Sometimes we have power cuts round here. It's not very often, but when we do, we need some light. So what's in the box today? You may not even be able to see this, but this is my emergency light box. And in here, I've got matches and candles. So we're going to light the candle, and then we can see. Now we've got some light, but we're going to put it under a bucket. Now, do you think that's a sensible thing to do? Probably not, because we can't see the light anymore. But you know, Jesus told a story about light being hidden under a bucket. Let me tell you. Jesus said, "You are like the light for the whole world. A city built on a hill cannot be hidden. No one lights a lamp and puts it under a bowl. Instead, it's put on the lampstand where it gives light for everyone in the house. In the same way, your light must shine before people, so that they will see the good things you do and praise your Father in heaven." Now, what do you think Jesus meant when he told that story? What do you think he was saying? Well, I think he's saying that hiding the light is no good. It must be seen by others to make a difference. Jesus was like a light shining in the world. In fact, he called himself the light of the world, like the sun. He let his light shine so that others could see the goodness of God. And he said to his followers, "You should do the same. Be like lights in the world." Jesus let his light shine, and wouldn't it be good if we did the same? Think how good it would be if people said about us, "Look at her. She's so good, she shines," or "Everything seems a bit brighter when he's around." Some of you were baptised as children at St. John's Church, and at that service we gave you a candle like this. We lit the candle and we said, "Shine as a light in the world to the glory of God the Father." Shine as a light in the world to the glory of God the Father. In our own way, we can let God's light shine through us. When we share the good things we know about him, that he loves us, that he calls us his children, he forgives us, and he sent Jesus for us. I wonder how the light shines from you. Are things a bit brighter when you're around? I wonder what could make you shine more brightly. In the quiet, ask God to help you to shine. And now our song. Now let's join together in the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, for ever and ever. Amen. Well, whether the sun comes out today or not, you can shine for God and make things a bit brighter around you. Let your light shine.